So today we are at Formula D Long Beach. It's the first Formula D of the season. Everyone's having a lot of fun, as you can tell. This guy's body is maximized on his excitement. And it's a Friday, so it's qualifying day. I don't know if I'm gonna come tomorrow, but let's walk around, check out the cars, check out the vendor area, see what they got. Some cool stuff around here. Things over here selling some shirts.
I'm trying to find the shirt to sell.
Where's the help? But yeah, we're gonna see how it goes today. Nice and sunny right now. Let's go see what the vendor area has and see if we can get into the pit areas to see some of these drift cars. The HKS Subaru BRZ. This is the new aero kit that they had. We saw the GR86 version at SEMA, and this is the BRZ version. Looks great. HKS logo on there and everything. Updated GR Corolla front end on it now. Kazuya Taguchi's GTR powered 8.6 turbo sub, front mount, VR38 swap. Interesting. How everything mounts. It's a bit crazy that you can cram a GTR motor in here. Right-hand drive configuration. Split TC105X's. Rollwood brakes. Red seats.
It's a possibility. It's a possibility. Water blows, fuck. You got $8,000 in oiling system, so you have to replace.
It's a rear mounted radiator setup. Pretty common on these drift cars. Johnny's 4-rotor FD. They do this car at SEMA. DCP Magic Arrow on it. The raised wheels. Interior's caged. Got a Recaro seat in here. really nice Mark IV Supra over here. The new bay is really nice. You can definitely see where he gets some of his inspiration from in the color toning, color selection. Bacon turbo. The Mercedes turbo diesel swap BMW E46 wagon. Wild setup. Kind of looks like it belongs in there. Wow. Antique manifold is very interesting. All the talk this week was about the unveiling of the new GR Corolla, the Corolla GR4. Not a terrible looking car, but what's cool about it is that it's an all-wheel drive 3-cylinder turbo. I'm sure everybody knows about that by now. This is like the Circuit Edition. There's a forged carbon roof. This one is just a prototype though, so this is not the actual roof. That's just an overlay. This one has a wing too, compared to the Core Edition one, which is that one. Has a vented hood. The hood's also more bulgy than the other one. And yeah, 300 horsepower, 3-cylinder all-wheel drive. The rear is cool because it's super wide, but I don't know. So, would you pay $50K for a Corolla? That's the question. Three exhausts is also interesting. But yeah, this one has the wing, whereas the Core Edition, which I guess is the more basic one, doesn't have it, and it has a normal roof too. So, yeah. Would you pay 45 to 50K for a Corolla?
What's going on? Here we go.
Yeah, because then you gotta redo the nitrogen and all that stuff, right?
No.
I thought you were gonna put it behind your bumper.
Huh? I know. Not under here somewhere.
Yeah, maybe behind it.
Because people drill like a big ass hole right here to shove it through, and then have to put like a cover, like rivet a cover.
Yeah.
I really don't want to do that.
No.
Maybe mount it over here.
Yeah.
For now, I think I'll just zip tie it. Just for now. That won't be a permanent solution though.
I mean, you could always just make brackets behind that reinforcement bar right there and just hold it.
I think I might have to take the reinforcement bar off anyways.
Oh,
Because
for
if I
the
have the bumper slits,
yeah.
I don't want this to be visible. Unless I just cut it right here.
Yeah, but I mean, you could.
I like having the reinforcement bar.
Yeah. Just put the things inside the reinforcement.
These inside? I don't think it's gonna fit.
Just shove it in there. They keep the bubble wrapper.
I guess it's Nikon F3. They probably will.
I don't know, man. Then you should just put it right behind that bumper so you can see it through the bumper slits.
Yeah, position it. Or right behind it.
Random flex.
That'd be pretty sick though. You
Yeah.
have to reach through and turn it. That would be sick though. Just position it just so it says perfectly GR86 Pro right through the slit.
Have you just made some brackets for it? But it's just like if you get hit in the back, you're kind of fucked.
I mean, there's gonna be worse problems than that.
Yeah, that's true.
That would be sick though.
Yeah.
So I guess for now I'll just tie it up.
Yeah. So you just want to get all that stuff on so you can put the car back down?
Mm-hmm. I'll do the 5 lug another day.
Hmm.
This is all a test to see how my leg handles from work. How it handles working on the car.
Yeah.
If I'm okay, then we'll do a little bit more next week.
Get back into it.
So much stuff that needs to be done. Mainly the 5 lugs take the watts off.
Yeah. I'm getting tired of these things. It didn't look as good as we thought it would. Maybe if they were like way more aggressive or something.
A fatter tire, or
Deeper face.
if the car was an EG or EF.
Yeah, not an EK.
Yeah. Require this touch.
The RS Pros that you just randomly found.
Randomly found? Yeah. Great impulse buy.
Yeah. You just have to get the springs for them, right?
No, they came with two of the springs were Eibach, the helpers,
Yeah.
and then the rest were all Swift. And I'm fine with 2 Eibachs, but then the thing is that when I looked at them, they were 2 different spring rates, even though they're helper springs. So one was thicker than the other and different height. So it probably doesn't matter because it's just a helper spring, but I'd just rather it be all the same. So I sourced 2 more Swifts, so all of it is Swift.
Okay.
Thank you, Yao.
Yeah, yeah, that's been very helpful.
So yeah, that's what I was waiting for, two Swift helpers, so all of it is the same.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah?
Feels good.
Yeah, it looks great now.
Yeah.
This needs to be a little bit lower in the front. Very good.
I haven't seen these in person.
These are the reissued reds, right?
Yeah. Actually, looks pretty good on EK. Because I was thinking it'd only fit with like EG, EF.
Yeah, I like the horse.
Yeah, that's cool. If I can find it.
Oh,
Still bone stock.
little tiny turbo on there.
Yeah, cute little manifold.
Yeah. Is this an old kit?
Yeah, old kit.
Yeah, we used to make a lot of them.
Mm.
I mean, we sold. I think when I first started here, I think we sold probably about
I want to say about 30, maybe more kits.
Yeah.
I drove one long. It was a long time ago. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Not really powerful, but it's fun.
Pretty nice.
But I guess some of these guys are building pretty crazy D series motors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like drag setups and everything, yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah. It was just like on the shelf. The manifold and the turbo. So.
Oh, okay.
Just try putting it on.
Yeah. I haven't seen that style manifold in a very long time.
Yeah, the cast one.
Yeah.
They're great though.
Actually, it's funny.
Yeah.
I posted it up on Instagram, my personal account, and I had like 2 people ask me, "Hey, you still have the manifold?"
Huh.
So like Honda guys, maybe.
Yeah, they're super reliable. You can pretty much mount anything to them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it didn't come that color. I coated it.
Oh, okay.
It came like a
It's like a raw.
yeah, and it had a cover. Used to have a plate that would cover that. That's what those cast threaded bongs are for.
That's good, man. That's good.
But
Oh, okay.
yeah, see how it's the bong sticking out right here. There used to be, I think there used to be some kind of, I don't know where that, what happened to that.
Oh, it's supposed to have like you could use the OEM exhaust shield maybe? No. it wouldn't
No,
fit.
like we had an Apex that had an Apex plate or something.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. Anyway, yeah.
Nice for their
So cool.
I just want to do it until they decide what they want to do with it.
Yeah.
If they want to do the K or B or whatever they want to do, whatever handy or
Just blow it up first.
yeah, just kind of just have fun with it first.
Yeah.
Maybe blow it up.
Yeah. I mean, it's a D series. It'll probably last forever.
Probably.
Everyone's just fucking crazy.
So today we are at Apex in Orange, California for our first mod for the GR86. And we're very selective of the companies that we choose to work with. And we have some friends over here at Apex that decided that they want their product on our car. So we are going to crack open a brand new Apex N1-X exhaust today and then show it to you guys before we throw it on the car. I was expecting something really big because the box is so big.
Yeah, Japan only has like 3 different size boxing, so.
Random blue tape that's just deteriorating from the fucking heat.
Huh.
What the fuck is this?
At least ours didn't come all rusty like Reggie's did.
California cars, man.
Oh, it's so clean.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that.
They lied to us.
Hey, can I steal a couple gloves? So light. Little unboxing right here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So TK is our resident Apex representative. So please tell us what this is.
This is a new N1-X catback exhaust for the new GR86 and the BRZ.
Yeah.
It has a Helmholtz chamber.
Whose chamber?
Helmholtz. Helmholtz. And
Good for reducing drone.
chamber, and with the N1-X design, it has that carbon cover tip.
Oh, carbon?
I mean, sorry, it's titanium. My bad.
Titanium tip over the tip.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's like almost
it
like a dual
changes
layer.
the color with the heat.
That's nice. Also notice everything is TIG welded.
TIG welded.
And like on a lot of higher end exhausts, it uses hollow hangers to save weight. So it's like little things to look for when you're looking at good exhaust versus whatever exhaust.
Yeah.
I like this. It's nice.
And as it turns out, Yasu has the same one.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, so we're extra matching. We didn't even know he had that one.
It's like a yin and yang of white and black.
Yeah.
But same.
Everything
Yeah.
just worked out where we all have the same stuff. So.
But this one, oh, Yasu has a US model, right? Not a JASMA approved one?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Because we shipped it to Japan.
Oh.
It got to Japan and we shipped it back, so.
Oh, yeah. I mean, knowing him, he probably would get a US one. So.
He likes the US stuff.
Yeah.
What is the main diameter of the tubing here? Is 65 or?
Yes, it's about close to 2.5 inch.
Okay.
Not sure what that is in millimeters, but it is. A lot of American people want like 3 inch or a little bit bigger, but a lot of Japanese people still think compression is still important.
Well, I prefer this for sound. I mean, for exhaust, for me, it's always about keeping the sound nice.
Right.
And I like it a little like higher pitched. The larger you get like those big, burly sounding exhausts. And a 4-cylinder is not a burly.
Right.
You know, they can make it sound real deep and stuff, but I actually don't like the deep sound.
Yeah.
I like that peppy, sporty, higher pitched.
Perfect for our purple tune. Yeah, at first I was just like, I don't know if I want to put an exhaust on a completely stock car. Remember I told you?
Right.
And then Christian's like, no, fuck, who cares?
Doesn't matter. So like we could do it on the lift here. I'd rather not do it on the ground somewhere else.
That's
and
true.
wait and,
Oh no, I was definitely gonna come back here and then still have them do it. But all the goodies.
all the goodies and all that. Bunch of stuff in Japanese I can't read. Warranty
yeah.
card that doesn't work here.
Carb stuff.
And I like this. Exhausts don't really come with this nowadays. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. You're Japanese.
Makes you feel extra Japanese because, or extra cool because you can't read it.
Yeah.
You know, it's a good product when you
And
can't
then you
read
know that they put a lot of effort into drawing that.
Yeah. We went with no lube today.
No lube.
Yeah.
All dry.
All dry. But these are virgin hangers.
Now I got all this space right in the middle.
Yeah.
We do have a shield if you guys want that.
What kind of shield?
It's like a shield that goes under to cover. It's for protection here and.
Oh wait, I saw that on the
aerodynamics.
website. Yeah.
A taxi?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's made in aluminum.
That's cool.
We were just wondering like what you guys had planned for the rear section. If it's just like a lip kit, it'll work with it. But if you're gonna do like crazy diffuser, then it might not.
No, I don't think we have anything crazy.
Yeah, because the rear bumper already looks pretty solid.
Yeah.
I definitely want to retain these lights. The lights are cool.
Yeah. If anything, we just gotta get like those little end things from Tom's. I thought
those
of
little
it.
things are cool.
Yeah.
Oh, the little
Valence,
pins,
whatever.
Yeah.
There's definitely some cool Tom stuff. The little like, the little mustache thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Tom's mustache is super cool.
I already ordered it over there, actually. Because Yasu
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
needs to get his own set. So.
You can trade him a bunch of JDM side corners.
Oh yeah,
for USB.
he already wants all the orange stuff. Yeah. So we already have some clear ones over there.
We definitely don't want orange stuff.
They like the orange?
They love it, dude.
They love it.
Yeah.
They love the orange stuff. All right, now we take this off.
Why is it white or clear in Japan and
Because it's supposed to be clear. It's just for DOT here, they require orange. So,
Super weird.
yeah. I mean, they probably thought about it in terms of styling.
Right.
Over here, it's just
For
like what
safety.
age-old traffic laws.
Yeah.
These tiny shocks, man.
Look at those. I don't know what this says, but it probably says something like, don't remove these until you install it on the car so you don't scratch the shit out of the tips. I see too many people fuck up their
Do you
tips.
really want me to translate it? Or?
Is that what it says?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you can read
Oh,
it.
yeah.
It pretty much says this gradation tip.
Say it in Japanese.
このグラデーションテールは油などの汚れによって変色しやすい性質があります。Meaning, depending on oil and whatever, it might discolor because it's titanium. And then it says, just use regular alcohol, rubbing alcohol to remove the stains. So
Nice.
it'll come back.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it looks like top and bottom is really close. Like actually that's like solid right there.
What if your fingers are different sizes?
That's very true. That looks really good. Left and right, that seems like it's a little bit of oh yeah, the gasket's not so straight. Or not the gasket, the hanger. So if we kind of center the hanger a little bit better, like that.
Oh, you're moving it the whole time?
No, a little bit, yeah. See, look at that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. From this angle, it looks pretty straight.
Good quality exhaust. If you line up all the flanges and gaskets and stuff, like, you don't need to adjust shit. It's great. Yeah, it's cool looking exhaust.
Yeah.
I did something. I'm staying around.
Does this normally come with the exhaust, or is it a separate thing that you have
This
to
is
buy?
accessory.
Oh.
Yeah.
Specifically because the gap that it creates?
Yeah. It's like almost long, right?
That is going to...
It's sharp, man. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, they're not blue, but
Yeah, this is just the covering, obviously, right?
It's just a vinyl. It just goes under the middle, right next to the, in between the Helmholtz chamber, and covers up the piping.
Right in between the Heimlich maneuver.
Yeah. So if you guys want this, we can
Christian, what do you think?
pick it up.
Do we want that?
yeah, it looks sick.
It's not supposed to be blue, obviously.
Yeah, this is that protective wrap. It's like the people that leave them on their door sills.
Yeah.
That's tight.
A lot of the Corvette guys does it. They leave the yellow thing on.
Oh yeah, on the front.
Or the Corvette Chargers.
Challengers or whatever.
Challengers.
Challenger
Yeah.
or Charger? Yeah, they
Yeah.
leave all the yellow crap on there. That's fancy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice.
How's it look on there, though?
I don't know, which way does it go?
I told him he has the first one in US.
Yeah, before us too, because we don't have a car yet.
Hopefully people are cool and wait for it or whatever. I mean, if they really want it, just stick with it. Yeah.
So that was nice. Not only do we get the exhaust, we get to use their lift to put it on too.
Yeah, that was nice.
So first initial impressions of the exhaust, it sounds very nice and smooth and quiet. We haven't really gotten on it yet because we've just been inside, but I don't know. The quality of it's always good just because it's Apex stuff, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, the fitment was just really easy. You line up the flanges and that's it. You don't have to touch anything else.
Yeah, well, the total time besides putting on that tray was probably like 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes.
Yeah, the tray, I definitely was not paying attention to the instructions. I just had all the brackets backwards.
Yeah, but it's pretty cool. And now we have our first mod, the brand new exhaust, the first one ever in the US on a completely stock GR86.
Some people care about that. The first exhaust.
Yeah,
That should be your clickbait title.
Yeah, first exhaust ever. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Thank you to everyone at Apex. Thank you to TK for helping us sort all this out. Inside.
Yeah, it's really nice. And you can still hear some of that really good GR86 induction noises, which I didn't want to like lose.
Yeah. He said they have an intake kit coming out soon too, so we don't know what we're gonna do about that, but
yeah,
he knows.
Yeah.
But yeah, super excited to have this now. And now it feels like we can finally start doing stuff to this car while we wait for other parts to come in. I'm actually going to be gone for a while, but I'll tell you guys more about that later on. But yeah, when the stuff starts coming in, Christian will start collecting the parts and then
doing stuff.
Yeah, maybe wait for me to put the stuff on.
So. I got to do Robert's car too.
Oh yeah,
got a lot of stuff going
and then
on.
Stuff needs to be painted and stuff anyways. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're good to go.
Yes, it is.
They're saying that under heat expansion, the tip comes out like another 5 mil.
That's pretty good.
Wow.
I mean, that's not that big.
It just goes in and out.
The GTRs, when they get really hot, the exhaust can come out like 4 inches.
Ooh.
It's insane. Like when you're on the dyno, making a full power pass.
4 inches is a lot.
Anything over like 1,000 horsepower.
Is 4 inches a lot?
Unfortunate. I don't know. Yeah, for me, sure.